So problem number 1 in page number 60, question bank. Ramesh, Prakash and Suresh were partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. On 31st March 2017, their balance sheet was as under. Earlier, problems were having only sentences. Here, the balance sheet is given. You can see on the asset side, cash, debtors, patents, stock, and machinery. Liability side, you find creditors, reserve fund, and capital of all the three partners. Ramesh 30, Prakash 25, Suresh 15. So three partners, capital is also given. This reserve fund has to be shared among the partners because of the one partner has died. Let us see further. Ramesh died. Ramesh is the first partner. You can see here, first partner. So died on 30th September 2017. So we have to check the dates. 31st March 2017 is nothing but 1st April 2017. Next day is the closing balance sheet. It becomes opening balance sheet for the current year. Next, they died on 30th September 2017. We have to calculate from April to 30th September how many months. So April, May, June, July, August, September, 6 months he was alive. Ramesh was alive. It was agreed between his executors and the surviving partners that goodwill to be valued at 2.5 years purchase. Purchase is number of times here. It's not a goods purchased. It is not something else purchased, asset purchased. Here, 2.5 years purchase means 2.5 times. That you have to remember. So goodwill to be valued at 2.5 years purchase of the average profits of the previous 4 years. So 4 years profits are given. We have to find the average profit because every year the profit will be different. As you can see there, 2013, 14, 12,000, 2014, 15, 20,000, 2015, 16, 13,000, 2016, 17, 15,000 rupees profit. Each year profit is different. So 1 year more, 1 year less. So they go for an average, like your marks will be averaged for various purposes, whichever you score in the final exam, like that. Next, sharing the profit from the date of lost balance sheet till the date of death to be calculated on the basis of last year's profit. You can see years apostrophe S. So 1 year profit. So it is 2017. So previous year is, or the last year is 2016-17. So 15,000 was the last year profit. Based on that, this year profit has to be estimated. Then interest on capital to be allowed at 12% per annum. Last one, share in the revaluation account balance. His share is 5,000. His means Ramesh is the person died. So Ramesh share is 5,000. Credit. Credit means profit. It has to be entered on the credit side of partners capital account. So prepare Ramesh capital account. They have not told to prepare executor account. Then also first capital account, then executor's account to be prepared. So this is the problem given. You have to look into the dates. You have to look into the ratio that belongs to the existing partners and the deceased partners, or surviving partners and deceased partner, and we have to go ahead further. Any questions you have, you can ask me. So page number 60, problem number 1. In the books of the firm, Ramesh capital account. So date is 39 September for all the entries. Always we have to start from the capital, whether they say or not. So Ramesh capital is 30,000 in the liabilities side of balance sheet. So it comes to credit side. Asset shows debit balance, liability shows credit balance. That is, buy balance is liability. Next, reserve fund 6,000. They have not mentioned in the adjustment. Then also this 6,000 belongs to all the three partners, but we are preparing only Ramesh capital. So we have to consider Ramesh share. So Ramesh share is 5 by 10. How 10? 5 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 10. So Ramesh share is 5 by 10. So goodwill, sorry, the reserve fund to be credited. Reserve fund is 6,000 rupees into 5 by 10.
3,000.
That comes to 3,000. Next is adjustments. First adjustment, goodwill to be valued at 2.5 years purchase of the average profits. So 4 years values are given 12,000, 20,000, 13,000, 15,000. So we have to take all these and find the average profit. So how to find average profit? I have given here. Note number 1, calculation of goodwill. I think you can see that very clearly there. Next, first step is average profit. So how to find that is total profits divided by number of years. So what is the total profit? All the 4 years profit we have to take. So 12,000, 20,000, 13,000, 15,000. So you can see here 12,000, 20,000, 13,000, 15,000. 4 years profit. So that 4 years profit we have to take here. Add all the 4 years profit divided by 4 years. How many number of years profit is there? That much to be given. So that's what the formula says, number of years. So divided by 4 years. So total is 80,000 divided by 4. That comes to 15,000 average profit. The first step. So after finding average profit, we have to go for goodwill of the firm. So how to find goodwill of the firm? Average profits into number of years purchase. So purchase is nothing but so I will put it as otherwise. Number of times. Meaning of number of number of years purchase is number of times. That's it. So average profit is 15,000, which comes over here. This 15,000 will be taken here into 2.5 times. So 2.5 times, how do we get here? This is the one. 2.5 years purchase given in the problem, adjustment A. So if you do multiplication with 2.5 times, the goodwill comes to 37,500. That is goodwill of the firm. But firm means 3 partners, but we want only for 1 partner. So Ramesh share of goodwill out of 37,500 is how much? That's to be calculated. 37,500 into 5 by 10. So I told you earlier how 5 by 10, 5 is to 3 is to 2, that is equal to 10. So Ramesh is the first partner, so it becomes 5 by 10. So that is the ratio belongs to him. So for that amount is 18,750. Any questions you have, you can ask me. So goodwill to be written off to the surviving partners in their profit and loss sharing ratio. So Prakash has to share how much? Let us see. 18,750 into 3 by 5. $11,250. Then Suresh has to share 2 by 5 goodwill because one partner is retiring. Leftover is 3:2. 7,500. So the goodwill to be written here as by Prakash capital account. $11,250 by
Excuse me, sir.
ah
Sir, it's 2 by 5, no, sir?
2 by 5. So goodwill, remember this is goodwill, this amount. So this amount to be divided among the other two partners in their profit sharing ratio. So nothing is given means we take the old ratio only left over by them, 3:2. That will be 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. So instead of by goodwill, we write the two partners and divide the goodwill among both of them. That is the one. Next, share in the profit from the last balance sheet till the date of death, calculated on the basis of last year profit. This amount we call it as P&L suspense account. So P&L suspense account, how to calculate is 15,000 per annum previous year profit. He was alive for 6 months. So 6 by 12, that comes to 7,500. In that ratio connected to Ramesh. So Ramesh share is 5 by 10. So that will be we can check 3750. Then interest on capital to be allowed at 12% per annum. So for 1 year it is 12%. So by interest on capital, capital amount is 30,000 as you can see here. So 30,000 into 12% into 6 by 12. You can check. $1,800. Next, last one. Share in the revaluation account balance. His share is 5,000 credit. This means Ramesh. So Ramesh capital account, we have here by revaluation account credit. The credit amount is, as you can see, 5,000 credit. So I have entered on the credit side 5,000 rupees. Any questions you have, you can ask me. You can go for balancing. Check the amounts. 62,300, not previous one. So same amount will be the executor's account balance. So when you balance capital account, you get 62,300. That has to be transferred to executor account by Ramesh capital account 62,300.